As we prepare for the start of 2015 and the next phase of the implementation of our BYO program at Oakleigh State School, it is important to reflect on where we have been and where we are going. Research tells us that technology will have the greatest educational impact when utilised within the learning framework of a school in such ways that it becomes a tool of transformation, when it is being used to connect children with their own learning, with each other, and with those outside the classroom walls. Here at Oakleigh State School, our learning framework or pedagogical framework is called TOPS, the Oakleigh Pedagogical Standard. TOPS has been developed by our community over the last 2 years and represents a research-driven framework to highlight the aspects of teaching and learning that we know to have the greatest impact. A true representation of where we are in our journey with our BYO program is a placemat designed to be a guide for teaching and learning in our classrooms. Developed towards the end of our BYO trial in 2014, this placemat shows how technology fits inside our TOPS framework. If we now look along the left-hand side of the placemat, we can see that our TOPS areas or elements are down the side. So we have goal setting, feedback, data and assessment in the top section. We have collaboration and relationships, and underneath that we have brain-based learning, differentiation and questioning. As we move along to the right, we can see that there are activities listed as examples of work that teachers could be involved in. The continuum that the activities are lined up along are two continuums that guide teachers in their choice of activities that utilize technology. One of those is Bloom's, and one of those is the SAMAR model. And as we move along further to the right, the rigor of the tasks and learning activities increases and becomes more difficult in complexity. Down towards the bottom of the placemat is an example of a teaching and learning workflow that may occur in a classroom. You can see there that a teacher might start with a demonstration. This might be a discussion or a pre-assessment. It might be the viewing of a movie clip or a simulation. Then they would involve the children in some shared practice. This might involve technology or it might not. The example shown is a mind mapping activity. Guided practice might be the next activity that occurs, where students are collecting information or experiencing the concept with guidance from their teacher. And then we come along further in the workflow where the children might be independently practicing the concept or idea. An example of an app that might be used is Explain Everything. And further along this workflow, we come to sharing or feedback. In summary, we are excited about the next phase of this journey and the learnings and discovery that are sure to occur. Please take the time to browse the website, including the blog page and the document page where you will find this year's handbook, policy and tip sheets. Thank you.